PuraFlame is a manufacturer of electric fireplace more than 15 years. We focus on providing good design, well-made, realistic flame effect products and exceptional service. A commitment to quality and reliability can always be seen in the product that PuraFlame creates. With all these merits, this ensures PuraFlame is welcomed by designers, builders and trend-conscious consumers. Classic and realistic look of flickering logs, lively flame, crackling sound and faux brick all make the fire just look like a real wood-burning or gas fireplace. The flame effects can be used with or without heat. You could use heater during winter season and flame only for other seasons for decorating. Several features listed below for more details and useful information you may need. Other details you can find on the technical specification section named specification sheet, including product and framing dimensions, and user guide, a brief summary for customer questions and answers, and user manual. Lifelike resin log which is 11 and 13/16 inches high and 7.5 deep sits on the grate above ember bed. The heat outlet and manual control panel are hidden subtly by the specially designed grille, which gives a simple and elegant look. The front glass is safe to touch anytime and will never get hot when the heater is running. Money's